Good morning, everyone. This is Joyce with Joyce Meyer Junk Journals. Today, I'm taking some time to, while I'm got laundry in and doing some different things around the house, I had a head of cabbage that I needed to throw a little of the red cabbage in with coleslaw that I made last night for a neighborhood grill out. And that's one of the sides that I brought. And well, it made me think, okay, I've got this whole head of cabbage, which I do love. I like cabbage. I don't care which way. I like the green cabbage, the red cabbage. I like it pickled. I like it cooked, steamed, however. So anyway, I decided that I wanted to get, maybe, I was going for blue, and to dye some blue paper today. Look at that beautiful cabbage. It's just, I mean, what a gift of nature, right? God's gift. Look at the colors. I mean, they're everywhere. Nature. I don't see how anyone cannot believe God created everything. But anyways, look at that. So pretty. Okay, now I'm going to show you just what the liquid's looking like. I'm going to take you over here and just drip, 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 drip. Come on. So this is the color I've got right now, because I started out with, and I love this, this is the colors that I first did. The ones I first got when I dipped in there, I was surprised. I thought I would have blue. And so I was watching tutorials. See the fabric underneath, the lace? That's from a panel that I purchased at the rummage sale. I think it's gonna take the color on. But anyway, I gotta wait till that dries. It's very breezy out here in the porch. So I've got a couple other trays going on. This one I put some doilies in there, and I dripped what I just showed you right onto the doilies that have been sitting out here for quite a while. Underneath here, I had crimpled a page. Crimpled? Is that a word? Crumpled a page. And so I would tear this if I picked it up. And honestly, you're not seeing the true color. Maybe that'll, oh, it's really strange how also, oops, what is going on? Okay, well, we're going to use it. I just tilted and forgot I was still wet. Oh, okay, well, that's all right. But anyway, so that's this experiment. This is going to be pretty. These are my test little droplets. I can't talk today. Okay, and then, so this is when I've added lemon juice. I added a few drops of lemon juice after I had added 2 tablespoons of baking soda to get what I thought was going to be blue, and it turned out to be that. I don't know. And then as it went on, instead of that mint green, I don't know if you can see this. It's more of a blue. It's funny how things reflect out here. But, okay, so it all is because of this. This is why I have started this endeavor today. This beautiful lace panel. So I'm going to get a bonus. I'm going to get some different colors for my ribbon bin or my lace bin down there in the craft room. And out here, you can see all the ruffliness. Oh, I'm so glad I bought that. I almost just left some of it, but you can kind of see the colors better if I stand a little further away. Okay, so the other thing I figured out, it was by accident. See this strainer that I had bought when I made quinoa? Well, instead of, because my arms and my neck, when I lift heavy pots, kind of aggravates it. So what I have found is, instead of taking this whole pot over, it's really heavy, see? I just am straining as I go. So I take the cookie sheet, I ladle this much and transfer it into there, and then just pour. And whatever I'm holding it over, like, you know, all these cookie sheets, the liquid just goes straight in there. So I'm I'm gonna actually strain this after I hang up or turn this off, however we say. And I'm gonna save this. Actually, it's good. It tastes good. Like mermaid, what do you call it? Cabbage. Okay. But I'm gonna strain that all and save the liquid. So as I go today, I'm gonna finish this whole pot, make all kinds of paper, and then we'll make another video in a little while. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one.